Hey folks, today is May the 14th. It's currently 8:41 in the morning. We're going to look at doing our Red Horse EA week number 7 update review. If you guys recall, last week we earned 2.39% in profit, and the week before that we earned 1.07% in profit. I have not had a chance to really check this at all this week, so we can see whether or not we're up or down. All right, so it looks like we're actually angling down a little bit. And I know in their Telegram, they did mention a few losing days, or one losing day that I recall. But as you can see here, so it looks like we did come out with a small profit, 0.39%, or $21.95. Definitely happy to see anything in the green here, so that's always a good thing. Overall, for the month of May, we are up 2.79%. And I believe we have no trades open going into the weekend, as is typical with the Red Horse CA, but we'll check that momentarily here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the news for the week. We are looking for USD news. Nothing on Monday, nothing on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we had core CPI out of the U.S. On Thursday, we had PPI out of the U.S. and nothing on Friday. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the VPS here. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that. As we can see here, we have smiley face up top, and we have our smiley face up top here. So everything is running the way it should be. And as previously mentioned, we don't have any trades open going into the weekend, which is always a good thing. Let's go ahead now and check out what trades we closed for the week here. First day of the week was the 9th. All right, so it looks like we got started right around there. And I know Red Horse doesn't close out as many trades in groups like some of the other EAs we run. But here's a group right here. You can see here that $39 win and the $4.20 win kept us in profit. And they had that $15.35 loss there. And here's another group. And this one is just a group of losses. Usually there is a winning trade attached to it, but not in this case. You can see a $22.70 loss and a $16.90 loss. Let's keep on going down here. All right, here's two losing trades. Very interesting. I know with Promax, sometimes it closes out in groups, but it's typically where one trade kind of counteracts the two losses, but that doesn't seem to be the case a lot of times with Red Horse here. But Red Horse does still continue to be profitable, so no complaints whatsoever. Lots of small wins. And here's a nice size one here, $19.80. Let's see if we have any other nice size wins. All right, here we got a $39 win, $15.95 win. So a few nice size wins there, which definitely, like I said, counteracted the few losses that we took over the week. All right, so definitely going well, especially since we have actual traders monitoring things for us. Let's check this out and see how the vendor did. We saw that I basically broke even. We'll just say I broke even for the week here. And we have 2.5 weeks to go, so we can definitely still get above that 4% mark for the week, or for the month, excuse me. All right, let's see how the vendor did. All right, here's a $10,000 account. Let's check this one out. You can see here real. All right, so they basically got around break even also, 0.42% or $48.80. And let's check out this other account. All right, 0.55%. They should all be around the same at 6.82% so far for the month of May. And this is a smaller account, 1,200. And I believe they had one more. This one is at 1.19% or 3.15% for the month of May. And as we can see here, they're getting very close to making some new higher highs. what is that, 53.16%, and they're currently at 46.33. So coming up here real shortly, I can see them starting to make some new highs, which is definitely a good thing after that pullback they had. And again, they did explain that here. The drawdown on 2/23/22 is due to the high impact news caused by the Russia-Ukraine war. A lot of EAs did take a hit during that period. All right, let's go ahead now and see if we have any updates on the video from last week. All right, thanks for the awesome review. Red Horse is really good so far. It's still early, but I hope this EA performs well long run. You and me both, definitely so. All right, great week, especially with all the volatility in the markets. Keep it up, only time can tell. All right, it could be said that this system is something similar to a copy trade. The price is not final, but monthly or annual, and according to them, they say that there is some trader watching the system. All this is interesting. I think it's the best. All right, well, we're still early. This is week number, what did I say, 7th? I'm pretty sure this is week number 7. Let's scroll down here. Yep, week number 7. Things are definitely going well so far. Hopefully next week we'll go ahead and make a new higher high here. And we'll do, like I said, another few months of testing with this EA. You can see here March, April. I think I'd like to see all of May and then all of June. And then we'll kind of reevaluate at that time period. And the fact that this one has real traders monitoring things kind of gives me a boost of confidence with it. And also that they have that, I think it was, let's go back and take a look. There is a hard stop of 9%. All right, so the EA cannot exceed the maximum drawdown limit of 9% for all clients. I really like that as well. So this one might be one that we choose to go live with just because of all the safeguards it has in place, the 9% drawdown limit, and also the fact that there are real traders monitoring things for us. So our results should be very similar each week to what the vendor's reporting. But yeah, if you guys have any questions on the Red Horse EA, you guys can ask me and I'll try to get those answered for you. And let me see here. If you guys want to test it out for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you on the next Red Horse EA weekly update review. We have 2.5 weeks to go, so hopefully we can finish out the month strong and get above that 4% mark. All right, folks, take care. I'll see you on the next one.